When you hear about a remedy that seems to fix everything, you probably roll your eyes, right? But sometimes these old treatments survive for good reasons. Castor oil is one of those cases, a simple substance that is stuck around because it actually works. For centuries, castor oil has been a trusted remedy for parents and grandparents, used both topically and internally on children at the first sign of illness to naturally boost their immune function and support quicker recovery. But what is castor oil used for today? Stay tuned, as in this video, we'll talk about the 10 surprising benefits of using castor oil before bed. You might see it as just your grandma's old remedy, but modern science is revealing some shocking benefits. But first, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's make this the most liked video on the channel ever. Have you ever thought about adding castor oil to your nighttime routine? What part of the world are you from? After you've watched the video, drop a comment below so we can get to know each other better. What makes castor oil interesting isn't marketing or trendiness. It's the surprising number of ways it actually helps people. The key ingredient is ricinoleic acid, which makes up about 90% of castor oil's composition. This fatty acid has properties you don't find in many other natural substances. Here's what happens when you use castor oil before bed. 1. Hair growth. The most interesting thing about castor oil is what it does to hair. It contains high levels of ricinoleic acid, which helps blood vessels near hair follicles work better. This means more nutrients get to the follicles while you sleep. But it's not just for the hair on your head. People also use it on eyebrows and eyelashes. The trick is consistency. You won't wake up looking like Rapunzel, but regular use over months does seem to have hair grow thicker. 2. Skin hydration. Castor oil is unusually good at keeping moisture in the skin. Most oils just sit on top of your skin, but castor oil actually helps prevent water from evaporating. This makes it particularly useful at night, when your skin naturally loses more moisture. The effect is most noticeable in winter, when indoor heating makes skin especially dry. 3. Joint pain relief. This is where castor oil gets interesting. The old practice of putting castor oil paps on sore joints wasn't just folk medicine. It seems to actually reduce inflammation. The ricinoleic acid appears to be an anti-inflammatory compound. Wrapping a castor oil-soaked cloth around a painful joint overnight gives it time to work. It's not going to cure arthritis, but many people report waking up with less stiffness. A 2009 study investigated the use of castor oil in managing symptoms of knee osteoarthritis. Participants, men and women over 40 years old, were assigned to take either castor oil capsules or diclofenac sodium, a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, 3 times daily for 4 weeks. The findings revealed that both treatments effectively alleviated pain associated with osteoarthritis. Notably, 90% of participants in the diclofenac sodium group experienced significant pain relief, compared to 92% in the castor oil group, demonstrating castor oil as a promising natural alternative for arthritis pain management. 4. Better sleep. Some people find that massaging castor oil into their feet or abdomen helps them sleep better. This might sound like a pure placebo effect, but there could be something to it. The act of massage itself helps relaxation, and there's some evidence that castor oil affects nerve endings in a way that promotes calmness. Either way, if it helps you sleep, the specific mechanism probably doesn't matter much. 5. Wound healing. Castor oil has natural antibacterial properties. This made it valuable in times before modern antibiotics, and it's still useful for minor cuts and scrapes. Applying it before bed gives it several uninterrupted hours to work. The oil creates a barrier that keeps wound sites clean while also providing compounds that seem to speed healing. 6. Constipation relief. This is what castor oil is most famous for, and for good reason. It works. Ricinoleic acid stimulates the intestines. Taking a small amount before bed means it will likely take effect in the morning. But be careful with this one. Castor oil is powerful stuff, and too much can lead to a very uncomfortable night. Start with a tiny amount if you try this. According to a study, castor oil packs are a viable option for controlling symptoms of constipation in the elderly, improving quality of life without the side effects of conventional methods. Further research is recommended to establish their effectiveness in broader contexts. 7. Scar reduction. Regular application of castor oil seems to help fade scars over time. This works best on newer scars, but even older ones might show some improvement. The oil's ability to penetrate skin layers, combined with its anti-inflammatory properties, appears to help break down scar tissue. Nighttime application is ideal because the oil has hours to work without being wiped away. Before we continue, I've got some exciting news to share. If you want to get more engaged, I'm excited to inform you that we now offer channel membership. As a member, you'll pay a small monthly fee and unlock some amazing perks like early access to new videos, priority replies to your comments, members-only shorts, polls, quizzes, and special emojis and loyalty badges just for you. It's a fantastic way to support the channel and connect with us even more. Just click the join button and let's make this experience even better together. 8. Acne treatment. This seems counterintuitive, putting oil on acne-prone skin, but castor oil is different from most oils. It actually has antimicrobial properties that can help fight the bacteria that cause breakouts. It also helps regulate oil production in the skin. The key is using very small amounts, just a thin layer before bed. 9. Eyelash and eyebrow growth. This deserves its own mention, separate from general hair growth, because it's become particularly popular. People apply tiny amounts to their lash lines and eyebrows before bed. The results aren't dramatic, but over time, many users report fuller lashes and brows. Just be very careful not to get the oil in your eyes. 10. General inflammation reduction. The anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil make it useful for various kinds of inflammation beyond just joint pain. Some people use it for swollen lymph nodes or general muscle soreness. Again, nighttime application allows for maximum absorption time. How do you actually use castor oil? First off, it's best to start with a little bit. This stuff is pretty strong, and using too much can lead to issues. When applying it to your skin, try mixing it with a lighter oil, like coconut oil, since castor oil is really thick and can be tough to spread. For your hair, a few drops mixed into your usual conditioner could be more effective than using it on its own. Also, don't forget to protect your sheets. Castor oil can stain fabric, and those stains can be tricky to get out. If you're putting it on your hair or face, use old pillowcases and make sure to wear old clothes for body applications. The third rule is to be patient. Unlike modern pharmaceutical products, which are designed for quick results, castor oil's effects tend to be gradual. You might need to use it consistently for weeks or months before seeing significant changes. The fourth rule is to pay attention to quality. Not all castor oil is the same. Look for cold-pressed, hexane-free oil. The color should be pale yellow to golden. Avoid anything that's completely clear or very dark. The most interesting thing about castor oil is how it challenges our modern expectations about medicine. We're used to highly specialized products. One cream for acne, another for wrinkles, a third for dry skin. But castor oil is a reminder that sometimes a single, simple substance can have multiple beneficial effects. This isn't to say castor oil is some kind of miracle cure. It isn't. What it is, though, is a useful tool that's been overlooked in our rush to embrace newer, more sophisticated products. It's not going to change your life overnight, But used consistently and correctly, it can be a valuable addition to your nighttime routine. For most people, the best approach is to pick 1 or 2 uses that seem most relevant to their needs and start there. Trying to use it for everything at once is likely to be overwhelming and might make it harder to stick with the routine long enough to see results. In the end, what makes castor oil interesting isn't just what it can do, but what it represents. The idea that sometimes the old, simple solutions are worth another look. In a world of increasingly complex and expensive health and beauty products, there's something appealing about a simple oil that costs a few dollars a bottle and might help with multiple issues. Have you heard about the benefits of castor oil? Feel free to share your experiences, questions, and tips in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments below. I also encourage you to check out these 2 videos we selected especially for you. Thanks for watching.